No, you're gonna get smacked like a kitty. How that feel?
I need to climb up you.
Not even.
But I want
Stop crying.
Oh, better get that back scratcher out. She might feel better then. Are you faking?
my daddy didn't let me climb up.
Oh, that's because
You don't need to be climbing on me.
And I wanted to. And I wanted to climb on you.
Ow, my ears.
I wanted to climb.
Come on, you can do it. You crying? I'll drop you. You sure? You're gonna get dropped. No?
Oh, Jimmy. Not so hard. I swear to God, I thought she was just going to do it to me.
Alright, one time.
You can up power.
No, go ahead. You just did it. You can do it. You just did it.
Are you kissing your boyfriend up there?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?
Hey,
She's kissing the picture. You're crazy.
Call me boyfriend. Where's the phone?
Where's your boyfriend? Show me where he is in that picture.
Hello, Jeremy. They keep kissing a picture of you. It's for you. It's your boyfriend. He doesn't want to talk to you, Jeremy. I don't think he wants to
What are
be.
you lifting your shirt for?
I don't think he wants to be your girlfriend no more. No.
Right around the wall.
Yeah, he wants to talk to you.
Go away, Jeremy.
You just woke up his boyfriend?
Now he's gone away.
KK. Say hasta luego to the camera.
I told my boyfriend to go away, and I told the phone to go away.
Why?
Because I didn't like it.
You didn't like it?
No.
KK. 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 Can you say hasta luego?
Really? You little?
Look at her. Arms crossed and all.
You tough stuff? Huh?
KK.
You so tough? You got a little attitude, man.
Yeah, her boyfriend called. Now she's all mad.
No, don't break that. Give me that.
I'm taking this away.
No. This is mine.
Well, I don't like that thing.
I don't care.
And I'm going to kick you real hard.
No, you ain't gonna kick nothing. Hey, check.
Do you feel better?
Hey. Pick your head up. You know it's coming.
Look at that face.
Ready? Oh, see, we got you on camera now. What are you gonna do? What you got to say to the camera?
Go away, camera.
No way, camera. Sure, I'm such a tough girl.
KK, can you blow kisses to the camera?
No, I don't want no camera.
That's for hitting me. The camera got you. I didn't do anything.
Why are you so mad?
Because,
You want to call your boyfriend back?
no.
You just thought.
Haha. Mm. Can I have a hug?
How many times can she hit Daddy? Cadence. Cadence!
I'm sorry, take that off, dude. That's it.
Oh, you hurt Daddy. Look at Daddy's face. Okay, look at Daddy. Oh, no.
You're mad? I'm mad. How about if I just tickle you?
Man, kid.
Well, why are you laying on me? Ow. What do you think of that? Huh? Huh?
Stomping her feet and everything. She is out of here.
You're lucky I missed you.
Well, what are you doing in here?
Alright, can I have a hug? Can we be friends? Why are you mad?
Oh, look at that face. Oh, yeah. Cadence. Oh. KK.
Why are you still hitting me? Daddy wants to snuggle.
Look at all that gray.
Well, anything like snowing. It's like no one. So leave me alone.
Okay, what did Daddy do?
You said I'm not gonna kiss no
Just because you just broke up with your boyfriend? KK. Cadence. Come here, give Daddy a hug. Stop. Come here. KK, stop. KK. Cadence. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. I will get the back of scratch. Really? Really? I'll go get the back of scratcher. Stop. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Listen, you little fish. I'm just gonna tickle you. I'll just tickle you.
Stop it! Leave me alone!
Look at this. Look at this little face we got going on here. Hold her other arm.
Oh yeah.
Let's see what we got here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Tickle Monster!
Alone!
Oh, or what?
Leave me alone!
Are you tired?
No, I'm trying to get you in the don't leave me alone.
Why?
Because,
What's wrong? You want to watch a movie?
yeah.
Okay, let's pick one out.
Oh, wait, that makes me happy. Oh, wait, I'll give you a hug and kiss now, Daddy. Oh, wait, I'm fine.
Oh man, this girl.
I think you're bipolar.
What?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah, I can have a kiss?
KK, can you say bye to the camera?
Bye, camera.
Say see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Can you say, look at me. Say peace out.
Peace out.
Adios.
Adios.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Number one.
Number one.
Oh, you're number one.